Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt cake, step by step. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil until well combined. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it that wonderful aroma and flavor. This forms the essential liquid base for our moist cake. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, sift together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. This ensures a light and airy texture. Now, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake tough. Now that our batter is ready, let's prepare for baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Next, grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan thoroughly, or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Finally, pour the cake batter evenly into the prepared pan, spreading it out gently with a spatula. This ensures even baking. It's time to bake our wonderful yogurt cake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack. For a delightful finish, dust with powdered sugar or add a simple glaze. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.